Throwback to Goosebumps Ambience, Halloween Ambience, ASMR, Spooky Sounds, Goosebumps Monsters. And here is my comment. We go exploring and find wild or stray dogs that are not friendly. Other times we think we are alone, but aren't. Nature drones on. There is some sort of chase or haste. Dealing with things needs flexibility in the plans. Unfulfilled tension abounds. There is almost comfort, but rest is disturbed. A scene appears in the static, but it is not real in the sense perceived. There are continual intrusions of the unwelcome and unknown. Different sorts of things are uncovered, and it is unsettling. The dissociative states and overwhelming feelings alternate and are not quite relieved. It is almost time as the domestic responds to the wild. Without the sanctity of ritual, the fire blazes on, the breathing is uncontrolled, and the music goes nowhere. The dread returns, and we are swept into the conclusion.